I see endless advice of people saying that you need to optimize for AI search, but almost none of that advice is saying what it is that you actually need to do. When your brand isn't showing in AI answers, it's usually one of three gaps. Number one is the content gap. You simply don't have a page that answers the question. For example, imagine you sell a CRM software and your website talks about features and product updates. But the question that your buyer is typing into AI is, what's the best CRM software for manufacturing? And unfortunately, if you don't have a page answering that question, AI won't cite you. Instead, it'll pull an answer from a competitor or a blog. Number two is authority gap. This is when you have the content, but AI trusts someone else more. So imagine you're a new HR software company and you publish a brilliant guide on employment laws. And someone asks AI that exact question, but instead of citing you, it cites a government website or an established publication because they've spent years building authority and trust. Number three is the clarity gap. This is when you already have the page, you have the content, but AI can't properly extract the answer. And I've seen pricing pages where the information is hidden behind things like tabs, accordions, or interactive calculators. So if someone asks, how much does X company cost? Instead of trying to interpret the page, AI skips it completely and will go to a site like G2 or Capterra because the pricing information there is presented in a way that's easy to understand and extract for the AI. The most common mistake that I'm seeing with people trying to rank in AI search is trying to create more content. We often don't need more content. And it's often down to things like the clarity gap. The page already exists. It just needs clear headlines, direct answers, comparison tables, FAQs, and schema for the AI to properly extract the information. So before you write another article, first diagnose the gap. Is it a content gap, authority gap, or a clarity gap? I've spent the last 2 years helping B2B businesses show up in AI search, alongside a decade of experience in SEO. Now I've turned all that learning into a practical 5-chapter AEO playbook. It covers the exact frameworks that I use to diagnose the gaps and then improve AI visibility. Come and playbook and I'll DM you the PDF.